Welcome back, everybody. This is part 2 of our last video, and in this one we're doing wall mounting shelves. Let's get it.
Do we need to make a hole first?
Read the instructions. Yes.
Read the instructions? Okay.
Instructions.
What is going on, Mick?
Oh, you're too big for it. But you look so cute in it.
Oh my god. You good?
I think so. So, small detour. Apparently we didn't have appropriate tools, so back at it. Oh, there we go, baby.
Yeah, socket wrench for the win. Yeah, whoever said to use a screwdriver to
Yeah.
put this in the wall was incredible.
Drunk.
Or something. Oh yeah, boy. She not moving.
Teamwork makes the dream work. You're sitting on my back.
Sorry. Oh, dude.
No.
I love you so much, my little baby pies. Okay. No.
Okay, so now it's just a matter of which mount we want. So that's for option 2. If you're using option 2, you need to remove your 4 adapters. And then using it like that. No, okay, so it has to be like this. That's fine. No screen spacer. Screen spacer.
Are you okay, buddy? Oh. Did you fall when you were napping?
Aww.
So it's got to be between F1, F2.
Oh!
Ooh.
That's fine.
Okay.
It's just the...
And F3.
Hi, Beans. Me, Beans.
Is it too big?
Too small.
Oh my god, is it?
What a whore my TV is. You gaper. Little gaper. Look at us, a gaper at the TV. Oh yeah, she likes it big. Oh, doggy. Okay, I just want to see how far down this guy goes.
Like, how are you supposed to know? Maybe let's take a toothpick.
So. Don't you do it, little butt boy.
Alright, so it goes this far.
Okay, so hold your finger at the bottom, basically.
Alright, so it's... No, you are happy. No. No.
You are heading.
Well, it's probably this...
25 or the others. Keep holding that toothpick, please.
I am.
Okay. No, you are heading.
It doesn't have... Oh! It doesn't have to be too tight,
Yeah.
right? So as long as it gets... Look at that.
Mounted, now.
That is really stressful though. Okay, let me put it in here.
TV's heavy.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Let's get that ready to go.
Yeah. Because, but I think that's good. And if we ever want to adjust it, we can still have a little bit, right? I don't think it's gonna be. Close enough?
Close enough.
Close enough. I like close enough, babe. Downtown. Uptown. I hated it, but I did it anyways.
It's pretty cool though.
Alright, now that we got the TV mounted, time to do the shelves.
Oh.
Can I help you? No? Okay, see you later.
Five.
Boom.
That looks sick.
That looks pretty sweet, actually. Let's take a peek. Oh, yeah.
That looks good.
Yeah.
They're all even.
I think that's gonna look so nice. We did a little bit of a pre-holding just to make sure that we got it all level. Just made putting it up so much simpler.
Yeah.
All right, 2 more to go.
They're not all yellow. They're kind of cool like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 more to go.
2 more to go, and that's it.
Whew.
Give me some skin.
I'll turn this off.
You just leave it. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed our little DIY the games room. Wall mount shelves with the Pokeballs on it now, and this shelf with the mini tins on it. We had an absolute blast doing this, even though it got a little choppy at some parts, but there will be more of this in this room. Hope you tag along.
See you guys.
See ya.